how to enlarge a picture using squares. Sometimes it's useful to use a photograph as a reference for a painting. However, the photograph is often smaller than the canvas or paper size. To get around this, we can enlarge the picture using squares to achieve the correct size for the final painting. Step 1. Find a drawing or a photograph. In this instance, we have a drawing of a simple tree. Step 2. Draw 1 cm squares on either a sheet of tracing paper and place them over the photograph, or draw them directly on the reference drawing. The size of the squares will be determined by the size of the original picture. Number the squares horizontally and vertically. Step 3. Work out the size of the new squares based upon the size of the painting. The number of squares will need to be the same as the one covering the picture to be copied. Here's a tip. If your canvas measures 12 centimeters across, then divide by 6. Each square will then be 2 centimeters wide. If your original picture has fewer or more squares, then you will need to divide the canvas width by that number. For example, if your canvas is 30 centimeters wide and your original picture has 10 centimeters across, you will need to divide 30 by 10. This will give you 3 centimeter squares. In the example below, the squares are numbered across the top and there are letters down the side. The same numbers and lettering are used on the axes for the large squares going on the canvas. Step 4. Using the photograph or drawing as a reference, start copying the image onto the surface to be painted. Step 5. The result. If you have been successful, you will have copied each square with a drawing in it onto the canvas, ready to be painted. I hope that this has given you a small insight into enlarging a drawing. Thank you for watching. Please do check out my painting tutorials. I should be uploading more soon.